second you get hit.
Fuck my ass 1,000 times into the explosion of the sun from the universe!
Exactly. Stay mobile and keep trying. Great. All right. The number one thing that's getting you hit a lot is you're pressing down heavy and doing your launcher a lot. Just stick with medium.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Take mine, demon!
Nice.
Take mine, demon!
Beautiful. You're one hit away from killing Akali here. Nice, you went low. That's great.
Too easy.
Only use your launcher when he's jumping at you. Other than that, oh shit. Oh. Fury.
I pressed all the buttons. Oh, wrong button.
Nice. Very good. You're one hit away. You got this.
Dude,